Pin length is 1 to 5/8 of an inch. Pin diameter is 1/4 inch. Attractive zinc finish. Weather resistant. bROK products 15933 pin clasp with chain. The bROK pin clasp with chain is designed for multiple uses on equipment and shafts up to 2-1/2 in diameter. The safety chain allows for the pin and tab lock to hang freely while not in use, making this ideal for marine applications. bROK's highly engineered products give you the confidence needed to take on tough, demanding challenges. Whether cross-county or across the farm, bROK brings powerful reliability and trustworthiness from the professional who demand performance. bROK is a partner with you, traveling with you and succeeding with you.